Are your boots in any way water repellent?
So I think, like.
Oh shit. I wonder why this comes off then.
This would have been handy at the start there.
Yeah.
There.
Oh, it's a little quad workout. What do we? We've just hit the natural step machine. Hey, where the oh,
There's
I see it now.
there. Winds round.
From
So
fucking
next time
where?
rather than come to the car park and take a left, come out and take a right.
Yeah.
And you must find this trail.
Son of a bitch.
Yeah, sure, we'll just do that instead.
Yeah. Bossed my lungs already. Fuck's sake, whose idea was this? Thankfully, dry enough when we went.
Okay, yeah.
Oh,
Oh, I nearly went.
caught myself.
Nearly went. Hammered off.
I remember Doan being a lot smaller. Whenever I came and did it the first time, whenever I seen it the second time, I was like, was it this steep last time? I remember it just being that rocky bit at the top, not the...
Not the climb again then.
Yeah. Sometimes because of that, I tend to do most of my videos by myself.
Yes.
Because I don't want to, it feels like I'm boring people, having them wait for me to unpack the bag, put things in the bag, set the drone up, pull the drone away. It's more standing around than what it's worth for them.
Yeah.
So I tend to, as much as I enjoy bringing people with me, I'll always offer out invites because this shit's really good for your soul. Like it's really, like getting outside and getting fresh air and going somewhere new that you've not been before. Going for a walk on a nice beach or something, doing something like this. The views are, you could have the shittest day of your life yesterday and you come to see something like this and you just forget all about it.
Yeah, it's done. It's done. It's away.
Oh. I don't know why I get camera shy. It's just because it sounds like, oh, we're up in the mornings.
Yeah, just
Do you want to introduce yourself?
No, I'm good. Like,
You sure?
you roll yourself.
Right, well, in case I don't use the intro that I had planned, we're in the Mourns. And you can tell from the title where we are, but we're going up Slieve Doan. And I've got Cal with me. Almost went awry at the start because I missed the path. And went to take us the same path as my very first YouTube video. So we're here now. Oh, this bit's tough on the old hamstrings anyway. Oh. Yeah. Because it's not even a bad walk whenever you get the right path.
That's alright.
So I can see it from both sides. How's it going?
You're only a baby.
Nearly 2.
Nearly 2? No way. Hello.
Yeah, 2 and nipple.
I definitely would have set a pup for sure.
Ah, yeah.
It's gonna be small.
Yeah,
Still energetic.
I'm sure, yeah.
Having a food truck over there.
4-wheel drive, yeah.
Right, let's go.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Good luck.
You're only gonna outthrow it so you don't fall in a puddle.
Pretty much, yeah. Yeah. Lose the camera in the puddle. This way might be better. Oh, it's not. It's kind of better.
That's a negative.
It's not bad.
He's through.
It's not bad. We're through. I'll video you just in case you wipe out. Do you want to say goodbye?
See you folks. Thanks for joining us.
On the way back to the car. Leave it there. I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy.